Okay, today we're gonna be looking for some hobo Sylvesters. Let's come over here. This one now. He's not gonna know what's coming. Hey, stupid hobo, you got no food, no place to live. He didn't see that one coming. Let's go. Let's go. That hobo, I got him so bad.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, why are they so retarded?
Okay. Where should we go next? Let's come back here. That was funny. We gotta find another one. It's gonna be funny. Okay, where should we look next? This is funny. I found one. It looks like he's sleeping. Ah, you stupid! You stupid! Oh, look at his face. He's crying. Look at him. Look at his face. Look at his face. Okay, we're gonna look for one more. We're gonna look for one more. Yeah, oh, this is gonna be funny. This is gonna be funny. Let's go. Where should we? I know that one other one.
Look over there. Look over there.
Look, that other one, he was stupid. Stupid. Yeah, you scared him. Yeah, I got him good. That's stupid. That stupid one. He's stupid.
Hey, let's go find another one.
There's another one now. Stupid. Stupid. Look at him. He doesn't want to be shown. You stupid. Woo! Now that was the final on. Hey, get back here. That was messing with hobo.